The alternatives to an immediate denture are periodontal therapy, root canal therapy, bridges, partial dentures, an overdenture, implants, or delaying treatment. Periodontal therapy may be an alternative if there's still enough sound bone around your teeth. Root planing or gum surgery might allow you to keep your teeth. Infections into the nerves of teeth can be treated with root canal therapy. A crown could then strengthen and protect the tooth. Bridges, or partial dentures, could then be used to fill in the spaces. An overdenture may be an alternative. An overdenture looks the same as a regular denture, but it's placed over specially prepared teeth. Implants are another possibility. An implant is a small metal cylinder that is placed into the bone of your jaw. It replaces the root of a missing tooth. They could be used to fill in spaces or to help hold a new denture in place. One alternative is to delay treatment, but infected teeth and gums never heal on their own. They just keep getting worse. Unless you're in a lot of pain, you might decide to leave your teeth as they are, at least for now, but that could be risky because infections of the teeth and gums can drag down your body's immune system, and that could affect your entire body.